Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video. If you are new here, welcome sis, how are you? And if you're returning, welcome sis, how are you? Alright you guys, honestly I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I was not gonna film this because like the struggle was real, and as you can see from the title, before we get into the details of these nails and this polygel, I want you to first subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends, boo. Share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright, let's get into it, because honestly I'm trying to be hype, but in here I have like so many issues, concerns, questions, anger, disappointment. Alright, let's go. Okay, so I used, okay, let's start here. Like, I'm gonna start from the beginning. So I decided to try a new polygel simply because the polygel that I usually use, I didn't want to buy a whole new kit. I just wanted the color, like a quick fast color, because I wanted to, like, you know, I have other kits and I don't know why I didn't buy the full kit. I just wanted to like a one color, and y'all know if you watch my videos that I usually use Macart polygel. Macart has my heart, okay, period. So I ordered ECBasket polygel. The shape is nice because I shaped them, but I said EC, sorry. And when I tell you this is the worst polygel I have ever freaking used. First of all, look at my nails, y'all. Do you see how they look? And then look at this side. It's just, they have, okay. Alright, before I start bashing it, I want you to see what I kind of struggle with. So we're going to go into a little bit, I filmed a little bit. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I filmed, because of course I was going to film a tutorial because I wanted to do a like natural, like everyday kind of nail. Like these nails are not my nails, but they look like real nails kind of thing. Like, I hope that makes sense. So we're going to get into that.
Going deep, the beat lord.
Struggled a lot because the texture of this polygel, it's gritty. It feels like little beads are in it or something. Like, it almost feels like something that you would put on your face to like exfoliate. It doesn't have that sticky feeling as like the Macart. Even when I'm using alcohol, I'm using so much alcohol and it's just not giving me what I need. I don't know if I needed acetone or what, but I went online, I even tried to look it up, and I'm like, what the fuck? So on this side I have like a lot of scratch marks because I tried to buff it out. Y'all, don't you look at my nail. So I mean, me trying to buff it out did absolutely nothing but made it worse. So this side I didn't buff it out, but it just looks bad. It just looks bad. It barely wanted to stick. It barely wanted to stay. And to be quite honest, like, I think I'm gonna just have to stick to what you know, because when you don't stick to what you know, sometimes this is what happens. Sometimes it's cool, it's fine to try new things. I really don't like it, so I wouldn't recommend this polygel. If there's anyone who has used this polygel and you happen to find this video and you like, no girl, you're supposed to do this, that, and the third, please leave it down in the comments, because at this point I'm confused, concerned, like what's happening? I opened it, I used it, but Amazon might get this back, sis, because I don't want it. Period. I'm never gonna use it again. I'm just gonna go ahead and buy. And my cart on Amazon, they don't sell the Polygel by itself, and if they do, I didn't see it. I really didn't see the Polygel by itself. I need to look harder, because if they sell it by itself on Amazon, I'm gonna go buy it, because this, I'm taking these off in a few days. I'm just gonna let them, like, because I don't want my nail to get whatever. I'm rambling, but yeah. So that is the end of that. If you guys like my hair and you didn't get to see my last video, I recreated Summer Walker's braids. So go ahead and actually hit the card right here. So make sure you check out this video, because this hair, honey, I am living. Period. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching and listening to my rant about this Polygel I'm super pissed off about. But you know what? You live, you learn, you try again, and then you come back and try again. So even though I feel like I'm like a semi-intermediate pro with my nails, this took me back a few notches where I was like, girl, are you a beginner? Baby boy, what's happening? Be Simone voice. So yeah, so anyway, that's the end of this video. This is the end of my review. I really do not recommend this Polygel, y'all. I mean, like I said, if you know and you've used this Polygel and you're like, no girl, do it like this, let me know and I'll give it another try. Like, if I'll try it again, because it's possible that I did something wrong with this particular product because I'm used to the product that I'm used to. That's also possible. But yeah, so I want you to join that flower game by liking, commenting, subscribing, and all of that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.